Guys, it's me, Icefire12. Today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. And in a comment that I posted to GamingWithMagnus, I said that I would give him a shout out in my next video, but I forgot. So I'm giving him a shout out now, and let's start playing. It's like he's training for Pokemon Go or something. If he gets trespassing. That's literally what it is. I'm just so amazing at this. I don't really have to use my hoverboard, but I used to. Oh, wait, what the heck can I do? Let's go. Oh, how did I die there? Let's save myself. Oh my god, I almost died again. Why am I so bad today? I'm normally like awesome. Okay, if I die now, I won't be able to regenerate myself. Let's go. Pogo stick. It's Pogo time. Let's get back. Yeah, I did it. This is what I love. Whoa. Oh, that landing though. I thought I was gonna die. Oh my god. Whoa. I messed up. So guys, this concludes our video, and I will see you in a little bit when I post my next video. Bye.